Whether your repair is simple or complex, you'll be more successful if you break the procedure down into steps, making it more manageable. I'll take you through this part replacement repair one step at a time. To replace the Decor cover in this LG refrigerator, you will need a jeweler's flathead screwdriver. Using the jeweler's screwdriver, pry out the Decor cover. Remove the new cover from the packaging. Set the new cover into place from the bottom first, then snap into place. And the LG refrigerator should be ready for use.